Good evening, and thank you for joining us. We're going to begin tonight with huge news in the COVID pandemic that impacts nearly 200 million Americans. CBS News has learned that the Biden administration...
Hello. Today I present to you an extremely attractive application for music lovers. It's completely free. You can listen to music online or download unlimited music to use whenever you don't have internet. The powerful search function helps you find anything you want. Trust me. It's hard not to find what you're looking for because the search function is really powerful. Application download link is attached in the description of the video. I'm pretty sure you'll like it. Thanks.
The administration will recommend COVID booster shots for the Americans who received Moderna and Pfizer vaccines. Now, sources tell us that those shots will be advised 8 months after recipients were fully vaccinated. And if you have plans to travel this holiday season, that plan will include a mask. The TSA will extend its federal mask mandate on planes, trains, and buses into January. And tonight, as Texas deals with a surge in new COVID cases and hospitalizations, there is breaking news about the governor of Texas, who has been a staunch opponent of vaccine and mask mandates. Well, he's tested positive for coronavirus. Governor Greg Abbott is fully vaccinated and is receiving a Regeneron treatment. But there's video of Abbott at a packed, maskless event just last night. So there's a lot of news to get to. CBS's David Begnaud is going to lead off our coverage tonight from Lafayette, Louisiana. Good evening, David.
Good evening, Nora. In addition to the people who got Pfizer and Moderna being told they need to get a booster, we expect that federal officials will say if you got that one dose of the J&J vaccine, you need a booster too. If the FDA gives the green light, the boosters could begin as early as next month. Healthcare workers and nursing home residents will be first in line, followed by the elderly and then the general population.
I think it's helpful if people can try to stick with what they started with. So if you started with Pfizer, get the third immunization with Pfizer, and similarly with Moderna.
The case for boosters comes after new studies which include recent data from Israel. Among people 60 and older who received the Pfizer vaccine, the risk of infection was 54% higher among those vaccinated in the winter compared to the spring.
We released those vaccines when we had to get people fully immunized in a hurry. And we did it. In terms of durability and length of protection, spacing vaccines 3 to 4 weeks apart will often not be adequate for long-term durability, and hence the need for the boost.
Hospitals continue to fill up, mostly with people who are unvaccinated. Here at Baton Rouge General in Louisiana, they had one ICU, but they opened up 8 more just for COVID patients.
We're worried about dying and leaving her all alone.
Jeffrey Oakes and his wife Carrie are in the ICU with COVID-19 together. It's their second time contracting the virus. They thought they had natural immunity after the first time, and so they waited to get vaccinated.
The Delta variant is really, really nasty. And anyone who thinks that they can just come through this, they're wrong.
Dr. Chris Thomas is their physician.
We have 2 pandemics. We have a pandemic of a Delta virus that's ravaging our community, and we have a pandemic of misinformation. I'm just frustrated that we've gotten to the point where we allow misinformation to equal medical science. They're not the same.
Louisiana set a record today. They have more COVID hospitalizations than at any other point in the pandemic. The last time they set that record was yesterday. Today, Louisiana's governor said we are rapidly approaching a point where we're going to have a major failure of our healthcare delivery system.
David Begnaud with that warning tonight. Thank you, David.